Okay. So shall I go first?
Yeah. Go.
So my score for that is like a 7 or an 8. So over the last, what was it, about 6 years, 7 years, our family has decreased massively, unfortunately, and we've lost a lot of people. The family members I do have, I'm very, very grateful for, and they're very supportive. But it's a hard thing to accept that, that I was really fortunate that I had most of my key family members all the way till I was 40, and then all of a sudden they just all decided to die at the same sort of time. It's really inconsiderate. And what that's done is it kind of shakes the whole foundation of who you are. It shakes the foundation of the family dynamic. Everyone and everything changes when you lose one key family member. Everything else starts. It's like a key pillar's been taken out, and everything else is really rocky. And everyone's got to find their place. And what I've learned with that over the years is that the grieving process can kind of be, you intensely might grieve for, say, a year, and then you have sporadic bouts of grieving. But the shaking of the foundation process, I think it takes years and years and years for that to restabilize and for things to kind of get back to some sort of norm. And I don't know if I'm there yet, if I have my norm yet, because we lost so many people in such a short space of time. But it's something that I treasure who I have, and I appreciate every single moment I get to spend with those people. But I also know how incredibly transient it is.
Yeah. It's yeah, I mean, family could be a complicated one for a lot of people to measure. Relationships in families and the dynamics, and it's something that changes. You think, growing up, I've got a really good family, but then other people enter that dynamic, or people then sort of pass on, and it changes, and it is a change in things.